Do you know how to keep your dog fence collar happy and healthy so it provides years of service? Let's find out. Hey folks, it's Adam with Outdoor Pet Solutions. Today, I wanted to give you some tips and tricks on how to keep your fence collar happy and healthy so it continues to provide years of service. As most of you are aware, the OPS 1000 fence receiver collar is rechargeable, which is so much better than the disposable battery collar options that are out there on eBay and Amazon and that are typically used by the franchise installation companies that you'll find in your area. You might be wondering why these companies are still offering fence collars that have to take a disposable battery. Well, the explanation is pretty simple. It's a business model. After they install the fence system for you and help you contain your dog in the yard, they want to sign you up for a battery subscription plan after the installation. This creates continuous revenue after every installation, which is a great business model for them. However, it may not be the best option for you from a financial standpoint. Because unfortunately, the disposable batteries typically have to be replaced every 2 to 3 months. And these batteries are expensive. And that's because they're proprietary. The battery that they sell you is the only battery that can fit in your fence collar. So you're not going to be able to just go up to Walmart, pick up a battery for your fence collar. You have to order it through them. So they'll sign you up for a battery replacement program where they'll automatically debit your account and ship you out a replacement battery. Now these batteries can cost upwards of $30 a piece. So you could imagine if you had a multiple dog household where you've got 3 or 4 dogs running around, these replacement batteries will add up. Every 2 to 3 months, you're gonna spend well over $100 to just replace batteries in your collars. I, for one, think that's complete nonsense. Especially with the technology today, we've got cars that are using rechargeable batteries that are driving themselves down the road. So why on earth wouldn't you want a fence collar with the rechargeability? The OPS 1000 only takes about an hour to an hour and a half to fully recharge, and it will hold that charge for up to 2 to 3 months at a time. But to maintain that rechargeability and to extend the life of the rechargeable cell inside your collar, you want to take some steps to keep it happy and healthy. In the blue folder that's included in your OPS 1000 dog fencing kit, it will provide the tips necessary to keep your collar functioning for years to come. The first is you'll notice it's flashing green every 4 seconds. This tells you it has a good charge. As you're taking the collar on and off your dog, you'll want to glance at that light and make sure that it's still flashing green. Once you see that flashing light change to an amber color, you'll want to go ahead and recharge it, because you never want the collar to fully die on you. Lithium battery inside the collar doesn't like to fully discharge to the point it's completely dead, because sometimes it won't wake back up and you'll need to replace the battery inside. I do have a video where I walk you through how to replace the battery easily inside these collars, which is a great added benefit. All the other systems on the market that offer a rechargeable collar, they force you to buy a whole new collar in the event it stops taking a charge. Again, a good business model for them, but we wanted to make sure that the battery was accessible for you so you can easily replace it. So the first tip is just don't let it fully die on you. Often take a look at the collar and just make sure that it's flashing green. If it's changed to an amber color, simply go ahead and throw it on the charger. And as far as the charger is concerned, do not use any other charger to charge your collar than the one supplied in your kit. These ports are kind of commonplace, so in the event you lose your fence collar charger, you might be tempted to use a laptop charger or some other device charger, and by doing so, you will fry the internal components of the collar. You will actually smell it burning. And of course, if that is detected, it will not be covered under the warranty. So it's best to order a new $20 charger than to destroy a $200 fence collar. So don't be tempted to use any other charger than the one that's supplied in your kit. It's best to not expose your collar to extreme temperatures. This is excessive heat and colds. You don't want these collars to be exposed to below 0 temps for an extended period of time. If your dog's out running the yard for a little while, it's not the end of the world. You just don't want to store this outside in extreme temperature conditions. The same is true for excessive heat. If you live in a climate that gets well over 100 degrees, you don't want to put this out in the sun and let it bake. The battery is not going to do well at all. and it will erode the effectiveness of the rechargeability. Now, if you've had a few quotes provided to you by these franchise companies that tear down the rechargeable collars, again, just keep in mind it's because they want to sign you up for that replacement battery program. The DIY kits that use disposable batteries that are out on the market, most of which will also only provide you a proprietary battery that you'll have to reorder from them. The argument usually is, well, you don't want your fence collar unusable for an hour, hour and a half while you're recharging it, because you'll run the risk of your dog running away. One thing they won't tell you is that your dog should not be wearing the collar continuously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The reason is these probes shoved up against your dog's neck will begin to develop sores. So you should be taking the collar off in the evenings anyway. So there's your opportunity to recharge the collar when it starts flashing amber. I hope this video was helpful in providing you some tips to keep your fence collar happy and healthy for years to come. If you're in the market for an electronic dog fence and you're looking for the absolute best, be sure to check out the OPS 1000. It comes complete with the same components that I professionally install, and I provide my detailed step-by-step installation guide as well as my training program. Click the link down in the description to order yours today, and UPS ground shipping is included in the price. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.